1. You have to know the coding language you are going to use in test phase. If you do not know, then at least learn the basics. More than a month is available for the test phase deadline. Give at least 10 to 15 for understanding coding language. Coding is just 15% for developing any project. 85% depends on planning, analysis, design, and specially testing. So learn and just learn. 2. Understand your test phase requirements. After reading first time, if you did not understand a single requirement, then read 4 to 5 times. Highlight functional requirements, verbs, and task. Divide in priorities those tasks. Check which task is more important than others. If you do not know the meanings of any task, then Google it. Understand the concept. There are thousands of content available on YouTube. Remember, use Google not for cheating but to educate yourself for different methods and concepts. 3. Understand database concept and task like how data goes in database, how to retrieve the data, is there any duplicate table in database. Reading, writing, editing, and deleting queries is important to learn before connecting your code with database. 4. Build your project test phase requirements one by one. Every time you encounter a bug, just take a break. It makes you even more efficient at coding for 24 hours straight. Do something that relaxes your mind. 5. Styling your product is important. But for test phase, I suggest you to give more importance and time to back-end development rather than styling. For styling, 2 to 3 days are enough. 6. Most important, test your code again and again. Make sure you are fulfilling all the requirements your supervisors want. Do not add extra functions in test phase. Supervisor might not be interested in extra tasks you can do and get irritated easily. 7. Keep your code clean. Do not code like that. Oh, my code is messed but it's working anyway. A big no for this. Understand your code so that it's easy for you to pass test phase Viva.